enter Canada in order to denounce a new manipulation which consists of publishing articles which come directly from the Algerian army, under cover that these articles were sent by press agencies such as Algerian Press or Agence France Presse. So the manipulation is as follows. The Algerian army writes a communiqué saying that they have captured members of a terrorist movement.
L'armée a certifié l'APS, l'agence des informations, c'est certifié l'AFP en français, l'AFP en français,